This next objective for the AZ-900 exam is going to describe several different terms that may be very important for this certification. Let's take a look, starting with an Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set. This is for deploying and managing a group of identical auto-scaling virtual machines. Now, auto-scaling means that Azure is going to adjust the amount and types of resources needed for any sudden demands. That's an important thing to remember. The next important term to remember is the availability set. This is a logical grouping of virtual machines in Azure, and Azure is going to spread those virtual machines across different fault domains and update those domains and high availability for your application within a single Azure region. Then we have Azure Virtual Desktops. This runs on an Azure cloud platform, and it enables users to access a full Windows desktop and applications from any device. So you could have a Windows computer, a Macintosh, Linux, even Android. If they have access to an internet connection, you can access the Azure Virtual Desktop. Let's take a look at scalability and the two different ways that Microsoft can scale using some of these different automatic or manual ways of scaling up your servers and resources. First off, we've got vertical scaling. As you can see here, you're going to be adding resources such as more CPUs, more RAM, or faster or more storage. This is going to scale up in an existing virtual machine. Then we've got horizontal scaling. This is where instead of adding more resources to an existing virtual machine, you're going to add additional virtual machines. And this also works with other types of resources as well, but virtual machines makes it a very good example. You've seen in some of the demonstrations in previous videos how to create resources and get prompted for these types of options that you can choose to help scale your resources automatically when needed.